Hello everybody, this is your video for today's lesson of phonics, and today is Wednesday the 13th of January. Now at the top of my board I've got a little word here that says recap, and that's because here are the words that we're going to have a go at practicing how to spell first. So we've got the word jumped, walked, bumped, waited, played and cleaned. Now these words here are our past tense words that we were looking at last week, and we know that because it's got the suffix ed on the end that we were learning about. So have a go at practicing those, and then we can move on to the main part of our lesson today. So over here on my whiteboard I've got some words, and these words are our Year 2 common exception words. Now some children might be a little bit familiar with these words, and these words might be new to some of you, so we're going to have a look at them together today. So let's read them together. Could, would and should. Okay, let's read them again. Could, would and should. Now I want you to think about something that might be similar in all of these words. Can you spot it? That's right, all three of these words end in the same letters. They all end in O-U-L-D. Now you might have spotted that down here I've got a little saying, and that says, "Oh, you lucky duck." And that's a saying that we try to remember in Year 2 that helps us when we're spelling these three words. So if you're going to spell could, we can say, C-O-U lucky duck. Okay, so that's a saying that I want you to try and remember today. So you can have a go at practicing spelling those three words if you would like. And then I've got some sentences that we're going to read together that contain those words. So our first sentence, I never thought I could tie my shoelaces. Next sentence, I knew we would still be friends. And our last sentence, you should always wash your hands. And that bottom sentence there is really important whilst we're staying safe at home. Okay, so over here on my whiteboard I've got some more Year 2 common exception words. So we're going to read them together. We've got old, gold, hold, great, break, stake, many and any. So with your grown-up you can have a look at these words and see if you can spot anything that is similar in some of those words. And down here your activity today is going to be practicing spelling those words and reading them, and you can practice spelling them by this way. This is what we call the pyramid way. So you start with your first letter, then you do your next letter, and then you carry on until you get to the end of the word. So I've got the word old here, and I've got the word gold here. So you can either practice spelling them like that, or you can practice them by doing a rainbow write. And this is something that we've been doing in class, so you should all know how to do this. Okay, so enjoy and have lots of fun.